What's up guys? We are back in another video. And today
we will be cooking with our dad. Will it go good? Will it go bad?
I'm being blind.
So first you have to melt 3 tablespoons of butter.
Okay guys, by the way, we're making homemade Rice Krispies. They taste better than the real Rice Krispies.
Add 4 cups of marshmallows.
Boom, 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 boom. So we gotta add 4 of those. So many marshmallows.
Next, let it melt for a few minutes. Now that the marshmallows are melted, add 6 cups of Rice Krispies cereal. Mix it together. Don't forget to turn your heat off.
You don't want to melt the Rice Krispies.
We sprinkled in a few more marshmallows because we like ours with more marshmallows.
Lots.
So you're supposed to mix it until it's fully combined. And it's all sticking together. Take a spoon and add the Rice Krispies into a buttered pan.
Where'd you go?
For something extra, we're gonna make some little gingerbread men. So butter it. Here are our little ginger people. Dad tore up the parchment paper. That's fun. Here they are. They look more like stars than they do people, so that's a little weird. Time for the taste test. I guess that's a 10 out of 10. How is it? Okay. How is it?
How?
Delicious. I hope you enjoyed the video. This was our Baking with Dad cooking in quarantine video. So we all hope you enjoyed the video, and we hope you have a great day. Bye!